Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to learn about NCERT class 10th science chapter 1 quick revision English medium. These questions are helpful for 10th class science students and also for competition exam. So let us start. Question number 1, define chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is a chemical change in which new product is formed, known as chemical reaction. Define chemical equation. Question number 2. Define chemical equation. Symbolic representation of a chemical reaction is known as chemical equation. Question number 3. Example of chemical reaction. So H2 plus O2 to H2O. This is the example of chemical reaction. Question number 4. Chemical reaction of zinc and dilute HCl. Zn plus HCl to form ZnCl2 plus H2. As we know that this is not a balanced equation, so for balancing 2 put here. Now also we know that when metal is react with acid, they gives hydrogen gas. Next question. Type of reaction. 2FeSO4 to form Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Type of reaction. This is a decomposition reaction. As we know that single reactants to form 2 or more product, or this reactant decompose into 2 or 4 products. So this is a type of decomposition reaction. Addition reaction. A chemical reaction in which 2 or more reactant to form a single product is known as addition reaction. Next, question number 7. Decomposition reaction. A chemical reaction in which a single reactant to form 2 or more product known as decomposition reaction. This is example of decomposition reaction. Displacement reaction. Question number 8. A chemical reaction in which more reactive element replace less reactive element from their compound is known as displacement reaction. Question number 9. Double displacement reaction. A chemical reaction in which exchange of ions from different reactant is known as displacement reaction. Question number 10. Exothermic reaction. A chemical reaction in which heat is evolved is known as exothermic reaction. Question number 11. Endothermic reaction. A chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed is known as endothermic reaction. Now question number 12. Oxidation reaction. A chemical reaction in which addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen is take place is known as oxidation reaction. Question number 13. Reduction reaction. What is reduction reaction? A chemical reaction in which addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen is take place known as reduction reaction. Question number 14. Precipitation reaction. A chemical reaction in which precipitate is formed is known as precipitation reaction. Question number 15. What is redox reaction? A chemical reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneous is known as redox reaction. Question number 16. What is corrosion? The gradual eating of metal by the action of air, acid and moisture is known as corrosion. Or smell known as rancidity. Now question number 18. Formula of rust. Fe2O3XH2O. This is formula of rust. Now question number 19. Formula of quicklime. CaO. Calcium oxide. Formula of quicklime. Question number 20. Formula of select lime, CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide. Formula of select lime. Now question number 21. Compound used in black and white photography. AgBr, silver bromide. Next and last question, question number 20. Formula of lead nitrate, PbNO3 twice. This is all about quick revision English medium for class 10th science NCERT. Thank you.